Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to clear this memory cache. So I'm going to clear this. Okay, if you clear this, definitely there will be a improvement in your RAM performance. So that is what I'm going to clear it now. So go to this website. Okay, I'll be providing a link in the descriptions. You can check that and download it. Once you download it, right, you can open it and -64. So I'm going to open it, run. Even you can run it when it is in zip. Okay, it's a sysinternals.com. Okay, that's a website. So just wait for some time. So in order to open this task manager, right click and the task manager. Okay, and click on this memory under performance memory. You can see this good spikes here. Okay, it's open. Now click on the system PTE. Okay, so here I'm going to click on this cache. So for this, you need to empty and click on this standby list. Okay. See, now the cache has been changed. See, all the cache has been cleared. Super cool, right? So now if you see after some time, check this graph. Definitely you can see some good performance here. Super cool, right, friends? So you can do it often so that your RAM performance will be higher. That's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please provide comments and feedback in media forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care, friends.